Configuring WebCloud using Setup Wizard. Now, I will show you some more configurational features in the Setup Wizard. Using this Setup Wizard, we can also change the home page template and customize our website homepage. For that, first go to Admin Home. Select Manage Web Page. We will try to remove all this contents. Select Edit menu here. Remove these contents and add our content. We can edit this using these text edit options. Select a blue color. Click Update. Now, there are certain image in the home page. See this? These are added here. Just remove it from here. Remove these images one by one. These are SEO features. For the time being, you can set it later. Now, when you refresh the home page, it will appear like these. Now, we will remove this search. For that, go to the Setup Wizard, select option I want to set up a new website and click Next. This is the default layout. If you want to change the layout, change it here, otherwise, click Next. Here, you can change menu tree to menu combo. See, this is the menu tree. If you want to have the hierarchical combo box here, select menu combo. Now, click Next. These are the internal as well as external links. These links can be given as header and footer links. We can remove these links by just selecting the link and clicking Remove button. Now, click Save button. Again, refresh the home page and see, all the links are removed. Click Next. If you want, you can give alternate names to login and log out here. Here, you can configure internal and external links. These are the quick links here. You can remove these links like this, by just simply selecting the link and clicking Remove button. We can add new links also. Just select the menu from the list and click Insert. The inserted menu is listed here, and if you want you can rearrange the links using the up and down buttons. Then, update the title of the links and click Next. Internal links are actually updated. Similarly, you can set the external links as well. First, update the title. Then, add, edit and remove external links here. You can give external links of any of your websites. Now, I will show you an example. Give link text here. For example, we will give Google Code Project and all about Kerala. Now, we will see how to remove these add-ons of search articles and feedback form from the home page. Since we have configured all these links, we have to show all the links. So, click Next. News is not required, so uncheck it. Header text can be altered here. For time being, I will hide the header text from the home page here. Similarly, you can set the footer text. For example, I am giving a copyright statement here. After setting the footer text, click the Update button. Now, refresh the home page to see the applied changes. Now, click Next to update the logo and phone number. Here, you can display your logo, and here, you can display your phone number. For saving my time, I will skip configuring this and click Next. See, this is the body image. I will just uncheck the checkbox and click Update. Now, refresh the home page. See, body image is removed. Again, click Next to update the other features. You can hide, enable, or show different features from here. These general settings options are the user customization options like shopping cart, employee dashboard, etc. These are all third-party application settings. The navigation and other preference settings include different features related to modules like chat room. These options can be used to further customize our site in the future. For time being, keep these features as default and click Next. See the WebCloud menu option settings. We can hide recent items, search box, latest articles, latest forum list and latest news list from here. When we update these features, it will automatically remove these things from the home page. Let us update it and see. Refresh the home page and see the new home page. See a feedback form here. Let me first finish it in the setup wizard and see how to remove this. Go to Admin Home and select Manage Web Pages. This is actually a predefined feedback form and not a dynamic feedback form, which you can either add or remove directly, and it does not require any configurations. Select Set Feedback Form. Right now, home page is set with a feedback form and no other pages is actually having such a feedback form. These pages have the dynamic feedback forms, which we had created. Now, we will remove the feedback form from the home page. For that, go to Admin Home and select Manage Web Pages. Select Set Feedback Form. Select Home and just reset it. When you reset this, the feedback form corresponding to this page will be removed. Refresh the home and see the feedback form is removed. If we have to add this feedback form again here, go to Set Feedback Form option and select Home. Add something in the description, say, test the feedback form. Set a title and update. Again, click Set button here. This feedback form has predefined text boxes. We can also set such feedback forms for other pages also. Let me show how. For example, add feedback form into About page. Select About in the menu tree and click Set. Go to About page. For the time being, just reset these feedback forms to remove them from the home page and About page. See the home page again.